beneath it. That's just me. But I'm not saying it's not amazing. It's just I just haven't had luck.
Yeah, I'm good with QQQ, but I never have luck with like gold and stuff. But all my friends make big money on gold. I don't have luck with it.
You know what I'm saying? Just gotta do what's good for you, bro. That's how I look at him. Like
this is good for you.
There's opportunity all over the market. So
I know people that make money on Forex, and I can't. I couldn't make $1.
You feel me? Like it just be like that.
Forex got me for like $22,000 in like 2 weeks. I was like, no, I'm good.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm good.
It's just personality, bro. Like
I don't not understand currency. I just you gotta be involved. That's just some fraud. You talk about fraud. That's
yeah, it's true.
You gotta have more than the nose of people. You gotta like actually own that currency. Like be able to manipulate it yourself. Like if you ain't a country, I ain't playing no Forex, bro.
That's funny.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Well, the first time I really got into futures, I mean, I think I told some people this. I was like, I'm gonna play with my own money, and I stepped away. Like I understood like it can move fast or that, and I thought I had some stuff set. And I stepped away for literally less than 2 minutes. And I came back and I lost $30,000, like of my own. I was like, nah, I ain't playing my own money again. Not on this.
Yeah. So
futures move so fast.
Almost, yeah. I'm in futures right now. I'm watching NQ. And if you caught this NQ move on this particular candle, you have made, depending on how heavy you went, you just made $15,000 to $20,000 on this one candle. Right now, this exact candle is 100 points. It's a 100-point candle. So 100 times 2, that's 200 times. Let's just say you took 50 contracts, nothing crazy. You made 10 grand on this one candle. Because I made last night, right before I left to go to my church thing, because that's when the futures market opened up. It was like $7,200 in like the first 30 seconds, and I just shut it down.
Play lo-fi hip hop.
You use funded accounts?
Huh?
You don't use funded accounts. You use your real money.
I do. Yeah, I do now. Yeah. I use my own account now. I use proper. I ain't about to.
So either you're crazy rich or you're a crazy person. One of those.
Both.
Yeah, I used to use my own. I was like, After that day, I thought I was doing good because I made like 20 grand over like 2 weeks. And I was like, because I was just scalping like points. And I was like, all right, cool. And then that day I was like, this will be good. And I walked away. And I came back and I said, I ain't doing that again. Like I've lost money before, but it ain't, it's something different when it's just like instant. All right, there's 30 grand. And it was 31,000. Like I had to say 30 grand to make it like comparable people. I'm like, I don't care. They're like, well, you have money in the account still to keep going. I don't care. I don't care if I had 10 million there. I lost 30 grand in 10 seconds. Or, go walking away and come back. Ain't no way.
And Chris, I remember one day you asked like, how could you make your classes better? And from my opinion, for me jumping in, I see a lot of you all kind of already been trading for a long time. So I hear you buying like $8 contracts, $9 contracts. I'm not there. So
bro, I don't buy no. Who the hell buys $8 and $9?
Bro, we definitely got you. The contracts we try to choose for you
$1
are usually under $100, $50.
Yeah, bro.
I never let me know ahead of time, like, hey, this is a good trade for the people trying to start their account. This is a risk trade, a low price, low risk trade. You know what I mean?
1 second, guys.
In my account, every day, or my ladies account, there's only 3. Max $500 on her account, and I'm usually only do like 2 or 3 trades, and I never spend more than 120 on the trades I'm doing.
About that. Yeah.
One second.
SPY and SPX, their contracts are always under like $70.
Yeah, bro, you tripping, bro? Nah, you definitely haven't been tuned in because we don't. Not $9. Where the hell do you trade, bro? Not here.
There are some
I heard you say that. Maybe you said it went up to $9.
I said they went up to $9.
Yeah, typically they go up like that.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
it was a I think you bought it for $9 and it's all
No,
at 6.
There have been some.
On a Monday.
Everything that they do that with. You're right, Mitch. If you're looking at my screen real quick, just so you know, like, I mean, not saying nothing against Chris's. When I trade live, now I know I'm in technically different group. I'm in here, but when I share my screen live, I literally trade with an account that I reset to $2,000. So it's not reset today because the banks are closed. But like if I go into a trade today, just give you an example. I'm looking at FHN, right? Like if you were to look at my trade today, I'm starting off today with, because the funds just haven't cleared, but it's basically 1,700 a day. So I can't do massive contracts. And that's why I also, you'll see me like the other day, if you watch it live, I sat in here the whole day on Friday. I took an SPX play that didn't go. I did on my big account. I sat there and told everyone, my big account, let this thing ride because I had the ability to do that. But on a small account, I took the money out at $50 a contract because on a small account, I can't do that. So I'm building up that small account to be able to take 5, 6, 7 of those contracts or to take a closer to the money one. So like I purposely trade live and you literally see when I go in, there's no hiding it. Like you will see me click the button buy. And I've been playing IWM. I played Bank of America puts on swings. We played Mara on an overnight swing. Just taking those contracts were all under $1. Well, Bank of America was 105, but I mean, it was everyone else could have got in around $1.95. Actually, now like 80 something. But we got into those. IWM were 80 something cents. Mara were like 50 cents. Like we purposely try to play contracts there on that for that reason.
All right, yeah.
It's definitely cool to have contract. I definitely hear y'all call contracts sometimes.
Yeah, bro. Always.
On a little bit for me.
All right, no doubt.
Yeah.
Makes, bro. Let's just tune in because our contracts start at $2, $3. Maybe in the morning, if I see something crazy, I might buy a $3 contract. But nah, bro. You probably heard when they were up to $9. Like, nah, I focus on buying they call the dollar menu on purpose. Like literally.
He does. And he snipes the crap
Yeah,
out of
the
them.
dollar menu, bro. So anyway, we're gonna get off that because you just definitely gotta get to the
I will say real quick.
Yeah, go ahead.
Chris. You are listening to me take leaps or longs. Those are not designed for everybody. So if I say I'm taking a leap that is $15 a contract with $1,500, those are made for when you have a separate 10,000 plus account. I'm just letting you know that's how those are played. So when I'm talking about longs, leaps, anything 6 months out, and you are hearing me take a play like that, the reason for that is they're going to go to $50, $60, $70 too. But you got to have funds to be able to do that.
Is he just in Jarvis group or Palantir? Is he in both groups?
PLT. He said Palantir. He called yo Derek. He called you Palantir, bro.
I know, man. Breathe. Like my top 50 companies on earth, bro. Every day, my Tesla guy. You're my Tesla. Like literally, I listen to the Breeze list, and then you're gonna call me Palantir.
He called you Palantir, bro.
Yes. You gotta put Palantir down.
No, but I talk when I'm in Jarvis. I purposely try to do just a little bit of like the small account stuff. When I'm in PLT, we do talk about other stuff as well. Long term, we do other things and that's not to dissuade anyone from either group or anything like that. Like I go to Chris and Chris will tell you like all the time, I'm in here trying to help because I see the value in here too, to help you all get to that point where you can have a separate 10, 25, $30,000 account and build up those accounts to 1 million, 2 million, 3 million.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I said million.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, I definitely noticed everybody in the chat kind of seem to have been trading and kind of have their account grown together because I hear people making a lot of money.
We got a beginner in here that he started last week. First trade, I think he made 400. Second trade, he left the week. I think it was up like 2K. He's never traded before, so we got you, bro.
We got you. Just trust me. Just watch it today. Let's lock in, guys, real quick. Let's run through some tickers together. I think is my screen showing? My screen showing or no?
Yeah, you're good.
All right, bet. Let's lock in real quick. Let's start from the top. So far, you guys see everything is red. VIX and SPY are both red, which is something that you don't want to see because that is the market makers just messing with you. We have the dollar 99.22. So anywhere.
I need everybody to please mute. I don't care really who you are, even me. Please mute. Please.
Alexa, pause. I'll even mute. So The dollar is is just doing that up down thing, which is cool. We want to keep it where it is, so it just allows SPY to go up. When the dollar is up, the stock market is bad, so it's under $1 right now, so we're cool. We have the VIX has this crazy gap down, which is good for the market. But at the same time, with the gap, all gaps get filled, so we got to watch out. The gap, the VIX is at $20, which is on a regular day that's really high, which means the SPY should spike, but a SPY should go down. My apologies, but it's on the way down from $22. So let's see what happens. It is it's at a support level of this trend line, so we'll see what happens. It has a sell signal, but we'll see. Let me change it to a realistic time frame. Okay, so we have it looks like it can almost be bull flagging, in all honesty, on this 4 hour right here. Don't like it. SPY looks like it could potentially be bear flagging because this gap up wants to be filled. So if we get under 658, it's gonna be a real quick ride down again. But if we get over, I marked out both 663.35, we can start running back up. Nvidia, same shape as SPY. So it looked like we was getting a rally. They were talking about a rally on Bloomberg. I don't see it. So if we get under 187, we can start headed back down. Apple, everything looks the same, guys. It's like trying to fake us out. I don't know what's happening. Apple over 250 and under 247. Tesla's even matching up. Tesla has a small gap right here. So Tesla over 425. Tesla over 425 up. And then there's a small gap from 419 to 413. So we can watch that as well. Microsoft, Meta. So Meta has this crazy, I guess this would be a dragonfly doji, which is, or like a pin bar. It's more like a dragonfly doji, but then you have a crazy gap, and then there's a lot going on. Meta under 710, it can come back down to 705. So we have a buy signal that happened on Thursday that never really played out. We never even hit take profit one. Google, so everything has the same exact look, guys. Like everything, if you look at my screen, like every ticker looks exactly the same. It's so weird. Wow, AVGO may be leading the way. Look what happened with AVGO. That may be the one. Look at AVGO. It had the same sign, had the same thing, but then we got blue candles on AVGO. Crazy bull run, crazy candle on AVGO in a 4 hour. We got to watch it. So just keep an eye out for AVGO, guys. I like it. Is that all-time highs? Yeah, bro, that's crazy. So AVGO hit almost all-time highs. It came up to 340, 371, and the all-time highs is 374. That was weird. So maybe AVGO is giving us a sign of what's about to happen. Who knows? Who knows? Watch AVGO though. We can watch that for market to turn around. SPY usually gets a lot of momentum from AVGO. So that was pretty interesting what just happened. It hit a 32-day supply and it fell. That's nuts. Okay. All right, AVGO, let us know. Same thing, SPY, and so maybe things could really start to get a rally because we got this gap up. Gap ups usually are great for bull runs. Like so, IWM looks pretty good. IWM over pre-market high of 242. We can start coming back up to the previous day high, which is 246. A $5 move on IWM can get you paid.
So what you saying, the gap can make the chart go in the direction that the gap is formed? Because I was always taught the gap always would be filled.
Yeah, so it doesn't mean the same day. It can be it's the gaps are filled, but it doesn't have to be the same day. But typically when you get a gap up in the morning, that means that it's gonna run. Like that's what happens in the morning. The next day or even in the afternoon, it could come down and fill the gap. But initially in the morning, when you get a gap up, that's like a lot of interest in pushing that up. So that's what you will see. Just follow.
Okay.
It's not right or wrong. It's a probability thing. So the probability of it going in the same direction is high. When you get a gap up, it's a good thing.
So gaps and liquidity pretty much the same thing.
Not really. This is liquidity down here. Where if you're looking at my screen, this is liquidity. It came down here, grab some of the liquidity to go back up, and you get the gap up. So no, not really. But so when you come down to like you see this area right here, every time it came here, it came down, got liquidity, then bounced up. Same thing over here, same thing. This is the liquidity zone down here. And then it runs up a little bit. So, and this is the gap that it left. So it kind of even skips over, but it really, in all honesty, it didn't really leave a gap because you got the wicks that kind of close this gap. So you don't really have a gap on PLTR, but yeah, I'll show you a gap. But this is a gap right here. You see how at 4 a.m. it kind of just shot up. Yeah, that usually gives an indication that it's going to keep going in that direction. But we'll speak about that more in another time. So just trying to get through some tickers to see if we can get anything. We have about 13 minutes before market opens. I liked UNH. I did like it looking at it yesterday. I liked it. We had a golden cross on UNH, and we also have earnings for UNH coming up on the 28th of October. So UNH is, let's see. So if I'm looking on, let me put on these. I saw something on UNH that I liked yesterday. Was it the daily? I saw a golden cross on UNH that happened. What was it though? Weekly, monthly? What was it? You guys remember we were looking at UNH last night, and there was a golden cross that happened. Where was it? 6 hour, 4 hour. Is it the 4 hour? No, I don't know. Anyway, 1 hour, 30 minute. No, I'm tripping. I guess I'm tripping because I swore we saw a golden cross happen on UNH last night. What? I'm bugging. Okay, maybe this is where it's happening. All right, this is the daily, the 3-day, daily, 4 hour. Yeah, okay, here it is. I know I wasn't tripping. So on the 4 hour on UNH, in September, you had the golden cross, and it's above all the. Let me take off Jarvis real quick because I'm not able to see anything with this. All right, so you had the golden cross in August 29th, and it actually fell below these EMAs. So maybe it's over with, but if we get back over these EMAs with UNH, we can continue up because this signifies a long-term run, this golden cross. Last time we had the golden cross on UNH, when was that? Not really anything significant, but we had the death cross right here and then the golden cross right here. So we can actually get back up we're about halfway. We're about 50%. All-time highs. Good area. All right. The only thing I'm really seeing that has any strength. Wow. ASTS. I slept on her. I loved it. I loved it at $30 to $50, and it's now at $80, man. It's crazy. Let's see what else we got. I'm not seeing anything. It's like an easy move in the morning, so we're gonna have to wait to see what the morning gives us. I figured coin will be making a move since Bitcoin is coming back, but I see the minerals are the only thing that I see sticking out. The minerals look good. The minerals look really good. So we got CRML and MP. MP is up 8.5% in the pre-market, and CRML is up 1.8. So watch those. They are at about the all-time high is $22. So I'll put a mark at 22 if we can close over that or reject that. We get some puts. We'll see, or calls over it. AMD got hit, fell down a little bit, but caught support at the 21. I like that. I like what AMD looks like, and honestly, if we can get back over this 9 EMA on the 4-hour, we could potentially get AMD to bounce, because it bounced. It held this the 21 EMA pretty well. We can get over pre-market high. We can get AMD. So I'll put a line at 22,222 or 22. Actually, the pre-market high is 224. So 22445. APLD just is, bro. I wish I was involved in that. I know a lot of people in here are in APLD from other classes and other teams. That was an amazing call. APLD looks like it could be. It's not a bull flag. It's kind of like a pin bar or something, hammer at the bottom of a downtrend. I don't know, whatever. And iron, another crazy dip down, but ultimately it held and it's back over the 9 EMA. Iron looks really good. Iron over pre-market high, 65.81. Futures looks futures is holding. NQ is up 460 points. Freaking nuts. That was just 400 points. It's like 460 now. Wow. Okay. So this is going to tell us what's going to happen. If we reject this 9 EMA, we can head down on this bear flag, or kind of like a H pattern. So if we get under the VWAP, it's going to head down. So, and then over the 9 EMA, we can head up. So we just have to watch for futures. Yeah. If we lose the 200 EMA on ES, it's put city, which I'm actually looking forward to. So we can get ES under the 200 EMA. We can start looking for SPY and SPX puts. So that's why I look at that. FNH, what Derek was talking about, had a nice bounce off the 200 EMA. And we're currently sitting at 22.45. We have a lot of fighting to do before we actually get into that. So we got to get over 22.83 on the 4-hour. All right. So, yeah, guys, I don't see anything that's giving us any indication of what to do just yet. This looks like a crazy bull flag pattern, but it would definitely have to get over. This is VIX. It would have to get over the pre-market high, which there is none with VIX. But if it gets over, the VIX goes back above, let's just say $21, SPY is gonna fall. And SPY has this crazy gap up, so depending on what happens here, if it rejects the VWAP on the 4-hour,
We got 5 minutes in.
okay, yeah, I'm still just looking. I don't really see anything. We just gotta wait. We're gonna have to wait for today to develop, bro.
Hey guys,
And Drew, real quick, sorry, go ahead.
everybody, please stay muted. We got 5 minutes left.
Yeah.
Real quick, remember the banks are closed today, so they may not be trading much, but also the bond market is closed. So it does kind of throw some stuff in the mix.
That's good though, right? For us, we don't have to think about.
Yeah, it can be good. You might get some good volatility, especially I'm just letting y'all know, like,
Yeah, I don't see anything that.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't see.
Hey, one more question before the market open. I put the
All right,
250
make it
in,
fast,
like-
man. Make it fast.
What's up? Go ahead.
Yeah, so I put the 250 in like you told me yesterday. So if I see a contract that's close to $2, should I be okay to jump into the only
Nope.
find a
Just
contract
wait,
that's
just-
around $1 so I can do more than one trade?
Just follow what we do and take one contract with that amount of money. Follow what we do and take one contract. I'll be speaking to you directly. Just I'll let you know what's up. What I'll do. Being that I know you're taking exactly that amount, I'll let you know what to do. What's your name, bro? Is this Mitch?
I'm Mitch, yeah, this
All right,
Mitch.
all right, cool. Got you. Bet. All right, lock in. No talking. Everybody mute. Yes, sir.
Mute. After you talk, please mute. If you talked recently, mute.
and remember, Mitch, like, and anyone with a smaller account, like, it's okay if you look back and you take profit, and then you see something crazy, then it's okay. You still took profit. You're building your way up to that, so don't feel bad.
Yeah, I'm cool with 40%. I'm a low end. I know how it works. I blew accounts before trying to do options. That's why I started doing futures with funding.
All right, let's do it. Lockie, I got you, Mitch. All right, I want you everybody to envision a great trading day. How you're gonna feel when today went well. I need you to see what that looks like, and I need you to do some breathing just so we just are calm. You want to go into this stoic.
Yeah, please.
All right. We have
Guys, please mute. We're gonna go back to a 1-day ban if we can't get you. Stop.
2 minutes.
Mute it.
A minute and 50 seconds, guys. Let's get it going. Currently, I'm looking for contracts on SPX for us. Got it. All right. I'm looking good. Let me add one more. All right. One minute. The 6650 puts look the best, but they're expensive. They're $3.50 right now. So let's wait. I'm gonna add those just so we have them. 6650 puts.
You should have those pulled up, guys.
Yeah, they saying they can get. Let's see. All right, 6650 puts. Just pull them up. So let's see if they can get down cheap, and I'll let you know. Bells ringing. There we go. There we go. We open. All right. All right. That's looking. right, the 6640 calls are growing. 6640 calls are growing. Let me grab the 6640 calls and look at them. 6640s they're too expensive. They're way too expensive. They're 1530. Let's see what else we got. We have the 6670s, and then we have, what's this? The 6700s are $1.35. I'm gonna add those. All right, let's see what we can get.
So you're saying 6670s?
The 6700s and the 6550s are what I'm looking at. That's all I'm looking at right now. I don't see anything else. I'm just waiting for things to happen. So let's see what we got. SPX looks like it's coming up. The 6700s are $1.67. Those have open interest of 3,000. Then we have the next one is 6650s. They're too expensive. The only thing that's affordable for us right now is the 6700s, and they're $1.75. Remember, they were $1.65. They're $1.80. They're running up a little bit. IWM is moving. We're looking like we're getting some bullish momentum, guys. Okay, things look like they're going up. The 6700s are now $1.87, $1.85. Those are running up. The 6700s look good. They're $2 now. The $1.85. We got it. We looked at them at $1. What? They were like $1.70. They're now $1.80. Let's watch. See what happens.
You grab one?
No, I'm not. No. I'm still trying to wait. I think we might get it though, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I think we might get it. I think we might get the 6700s, but because look at my 5-minute chart, we have a golden cross about to happen. I like it. They're $1.90 right now. You want to take them on a watch list? The watch list them, Gabe. Watch list them for me, Breeze. They're 175 right now. They just got kicked back down. We may just continue down. They're 170, 175. That's why I'm waiting to see what decides, because we are getting rejected hard. So the contracts, I called them out at 170. They're currently at 175. I didn't say get into anything at all.
When I looked at them, they were $1.45.
Oh, see? Yeah, okay, good. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, they jumped up a little bit. So those are the ones that are moving. I thought it was 70, but it was 40. Okay, they're $1.65 right now. You don't want good. Thank you for reminding me of that. Thank you, brother. I don't like, let's see. Put side is way more expensive, which is making me think that the puts may play out. Meta, it was down to 710. Meta is getting clapped. Meta is coming down. So yeah, the puts may be playing out. Let's look for puts. Let's see if there's anything affordable. The 6550s are $2.75 right now. The 6550s, you can try to put not play those, but take a look at those. I'm gonna add those to watch list. I'm gonna add those to the watch list. The 6550 puts. No, they don't look like anything. Hang on, let me see the 5-minute. Those are 350 right now. Those are 350. All right, yeah, things are just going sideways, but Meta is coming down hard.
Jarvis has an entry at 712 on Meta.
Okay, 712. All right.
Yeah.
To the downside or upside? Upside?
Down.
Okay, we're at 710 already.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what the exposure looks like. The exposure is growing to the 6700s. I'm sorry, 6680s are the ones. 6680s instead of the 6700s. Oh, those are the 6550s are now $4. They went up 50 cents. The 6550s are going nuts. 6550s are 420. We saw them at 350. They're 420, 430. Wow, okay. All right, starting to play. Things are starting. The 6550 puts are 420. 440. All right, the puts are starting to move. Okay, puts are the ones that are moving. All right, let's see if we can. Yeah, wow, $5 already. $5. Damn. We would have made almost 100% on those puts. $5 on those puts.
Order working. Order filled.
Who got something? What'd you guys get?
Turn that down, please.
Yo, you guys, you are something else, bro. Somebody just clap something. All right,
I just got some IW run puts.
Okay.
I took shorts on NQ for a quick scalp.
Yep.
Made $100 in 1 second.
The 6550s are the ones that are moving. Those are 490, and those are still super expensive. Let's see if I can see something on the put size. Puts maybe the ones. All right, the 6500s. Let's not grab them. I'm gonna look at these real quick. The 6500s. Hang on. 6500s are $1.80. $1.75. They may be a little too far out the money. Yeah, they are way out there. Way out there. So the 6550s, I guess, are probably they're back down to $4.10. $4. There's a lot of back and forth right now. There's a lot of fighting going on. We have the 6550s have 1.32 billion in exposure, and then the 6680 calls have 1 billion in exposure. So I'm watching. Let me get watching calls. So what do we have growing on the calls? We have the 66. The 6680s are $3 calls. The 6680 calls are $3.20. I'm going to watch those. Yeah, I like those. The 6680s, they're saying they're $3 and they're saying they can get to $8. Let you know they're $2.85 right now. The 6680 calls. They're $3 again. 310. Let's see which way he's going. All right. The 330, 327. So those are moving too. All right. Exposure is growing there. Let's see what SPY is doing. All right. If SPY gets back over these EMAs with the close, I don't know, man. Things are completely sideways right now. We can't move anything leading the way. Tesla is running up. Tesla's getting a golden cross. Tesla looks really good, guys. Tesla's up 10. Yeah, Tesla's looking good, bro. I had Tesla over 423 with the close. No, let's see what that's 5 minutes. Let's look at the 4 hour. Let me turn on my levels. Okay. All right, perfect. Tesla has to close over this weekly line right here. I have a weekly line at 423.
Where's she at right now?
She's at 423.61. We need a candle close over the VWAP and or the 9 EMA. NQ is crossing. Let's see what NQ is doing. NQ is coming back up. NQ is over the VWAP.
NQ getting dropped right now.
Is that the 4 hour? Okay.
Oh, you're looking at the 4 hours. Sorry, I was saying the current 5 minutes dropping.
Yeah, the 5 minutes.
They're trying to pick it up, but it's dropping.
I see it. It's holding the VWAP though. I'm looking at it on a 5 minute. It's holding the VWAP. It's not. They just see how they bounced it off the VWAP. Look at it.
I'm watching NQ right now. VWAP's above this. Are you behind?
I don't think.
Are you not live?
Look at my
on NQ.
Look at my
on
screen.
NQ.
Yeah, look at my screen.
Make sure you're on the right one because I'm like watching it. It's underneath and VWAP. It lost on the first candle.
Nah, bro. I don't know if my VWAP's off, but my VWAP's this blue line.
Okay, you're behind. You're behind right now. You're behind by 10 minutes. You're not live.
Damn.
That's why. I was wondering. I was like, it's already under. Look at your time on that one. You're at 9:30 candle. We're at the 9:40 for your candle for yours. You're behind right now.
Oh, wow.
I was like, wait, what? Like on yours is about to drop like crazy then.
Oh man, that's insane.
Yeah, you're about to lose like on NQ. You're about to drop, and then it's gonna pick up and then drop again.
Why it's running? Look at it on my screen. It's
Even
running.
on the 15, it's under the 15.
Yeah, it's under it on the. As I'm saying, it's under. He's just behind. It's not your fault. It's just your trading view is not synced to do real time on right now on NQ.
All right, so let me
Looks
look,
like
so let me look on NQ on my.
you should be on the 840 to air, depending on how it's worded, 840 or 845. You know, my 840 really candle because we're going at 845. For me, it's 845. For you, it'd be 945. Sorry. Because you got it listed at 24.8, like 40-ish, 35. It's at 24.750 right now.
Okay.
Hang on, does it drop after? Yeah, you're about to see it.
Why is that? How do I change that?
You're about to see yours tank here. You'd have to just add a brokerage account to like add your trade of 8 to it or whatever like that. Temporarily, it probably just got you logged out or whatever.
That's nuts.
Yeah, trading view is 10 minutes behind otherwise because it's not a brokerage. It means most places are behind on futures unless you either pay for it or have something that's live trading attached.
All right, I'm looking at SPY. SPY is coming up right now, guys. I like SPY. It looks good. The 65.50 puts are getting clapped. And the 66.80 calls are going up. I like them. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, NQ is coming down over there now. Exposure.
It's going up now.
Bro,
it's actually picked up now.
Yeah, look, because I'm watching this on my Thinkorswim. I'm not even looking at the trade.
NQ just made essentially a Dragonfly Doji on this.
Yo, looking at so everything is still sideways, guys. We have nothing that made any sense yet. Or nothing that made any sense. Nothing. The first 15 minutes.
I was a buy on AMD at 219, but I missed it. It's at 221 now.
Okay.
So it's already at its first target.
I like calls, honestly. I do. I like them, but I'm scared of calls. I'm scared of calls.
Yeah, Jarvis has a buy signal on SPY and on the 3 minute.
Okay. I like
definitely
scalp season. Scalping.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I don't. Why are you saying it's down, Derek? It doesn't make sense. It's like
you're on a 3 minute and they're on such a low time frame. So much movement can happen in that. And
yo,
I was watching
the 66 guys, the 6680, the 6680s, 6680s are 275. Everybody, watch them. Calls the 280, 290. I like the 6680 calls right now. I really like them. The 285 option, watch them. Option with the 290. Option watch them. We're getting a lot of bullish momentum right now. Oh, 295. Damn, these are probably the ones. $3. They just went up $50 a contract. Oh man, yeah. The 66.
it's just dropping.
The 6680s, guys. Watch them. The 260. What's happening? What the hell's happening? Let's see. The NQ is dropping on. I'm not looking at TradingView anymore because TradingView is obviously, for me, it's behind. The VIX is, wow, it looks like it's bull flagging on mine. All right, so the 6680s are back down to 260. Yeah, it's it's chopping people out, guys. We can't do shit right now. Let's just wait. We can't do anything right now. Nothing.
Derek, what was all-time highs on SPY and SPX, or on Friday, or before the drop?
Bro, look on your chart, bro.
Or ask Jarvis.
Yeah, look on your chart. I'm trying to eliminate unnecessary chatter, bro. So no disrespect, but like questions like that, you can look at your chart.
Cool. Yeah, my bad.
It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, you know. I'm saying I just want you to be self-sufficient. You know what I mean? Like that's it. You know you're my brother, but that wasn't a good one.
You're right. My bad.
It's all good. All right. Yeah, we have a lot of sideways action, guys. There's nothing happening. Back and forth. Let's not get excited. Everything is sideways. There's nothing moving. Let's look at what's happening with the minerals. Everything is sideways. APLD looks good. AMD AMD just got AMD got to get over right here, bro. You didn't get in. You glad you didn't just get in, because if it closes over right here, this 200. If you're looking at my screen, it closes over this 200 EMA. You got it. You don't want to take anything before the 200 EMA. So
MP 91.
I would have done. Yeah, I would have sold by there.
You would have sold by there.
$3 move.
Okay. Yeah, it definitely was a nice move. I just, I like it, but I like it I don't like it in midair. I like right here, it looks good. If you're looking at my screen, bro, it's over the 9 EMA right now, and it's over the 200. So like with the candle close, let's look at the 5-minute. Oh, it looks good, bro. If you want to get in calls on AMD, guys, it's not a bad idea. AMD looks good. AMD looks really good. AMD till 227. So if you want to take like a 225 on AMD, we have a candle close over all EMAs. Nope, actually we don't. It's not a candle close. No, it isn't. It's not a candle close. It's a candle open over the 200. So I would rather wait another minute and 15 seconds to see where this candle closes right here, and then AMD could be a play. AMD might be something. I'll let you know. Look at CRML and MP. They're going. I mentioned those two this morning. The minerals are going nuts. Those are the ones that we could play. AMD has another 50 seconds.
Oracle look like it's out of there too.
MP looks crazy. CRML is crazy. Yeah, those two look good. Yeah, MP. You look at MP, guys. The move was not over with. We were not too late. That move on MP looks really good.
Oh, we got like 1 minute left.
Yep. 1 minute.
On AMD.
AMD, you're almost there on AMD. AMD, 14 seconds. Let you know, Breeze. For AMD, 14 seconds. 7. I think you're going to get it, Breeze. Yeah, you're going to get the candle close. If you want AMD calls, yeah, AMD just closed over everything. It's pulling back just a bit. Ultimately, let's see what Jarvis says about AMD. You got blue candles, but then you also have these trend lines right here on AMD, bro. Look at it. You have blue candles, which look good. You have 66% strong buy. Oh man, AMD is pushing. AMD got blue candles. There it goes, AMD. Oh man. Yo, both SPY calls and puts are getting clapped. Both. Wow. There's AMD just took off.
Qs are soaring. Qs are soaring, bro.
Breeze just got it.
Qs are ripping.
The 6680s. The 6680s are 350 again. Damn it. We
The
should have
Dragonfly Doji.
Hold on. 6680s. He's talking.
The 6680s are going crazy.
Guys, relax. Hey, let him talk.
6680s.
People need to hear.
6680s are going nuts. The 340, we were looking at them at 250. The 350. The 350, yeah, they look good. 6680s look good. They are 350 right now. Still not that expensive for me and for the team. The 370, 363. Yeah, I like, and Joe Breeze, great call. 390, they're $4. The 6680s are $4 now. 364. Anybody wants to try the 6680s? I like them. Again, I'm scared just right now, just because of the exposure on the 6680s are now almost the 1.62 billion. Yeah, they are the highest growing. I like them. Yeah, 6680s, guys. You want to try them? Yeah, you can try them. You can try. If you want to try something, guys, just have a tight stop loss. The 6680s are 330. Anybody want to try them? They're 350. 6680s, I'm making the call out. 6680s, the 370 now. I like them. I like this.
Hey, I took them from 285 to 330.
Let's go. See, y'all fucking listen. I love it. 380, I like these a lot. 390, the 6680s are going. They're $100 a contract for you. Let's go, man. Good job. I like the 6680s. They're 375. I like them. I like them a lot. Let's see if there's anything else. I think it chose the call side, the 370. I don't want you losing money, but the 370. I like the 6680s. Let's go to SPX. SPX. All right, let's see what we got. We got.
But I'm
Chris, are you looking at your phone or is your screen lagging on the screen?
Oh no, I'm looking. No, I'm just looking at the exposure. Just listen to me on the call out. We're at 360. The reason we haven't taken is Derek made me aware that the you see this. Look what this is what Breeze called. Breeze called it. I told Breeze to get in right here, and look what it did ever since I got in. The AMD just went absolutely nuts. AMD went up $3. Breeze, did you take those?
Of course, bro.
Yo, look what
Breeze watch.
Breeze watch. Yo, look, they went crazy, bro. 360 on the 6680s. I called them out around 2 and change. I think like 270. They're going well. They're 360. They're 350 right now. I personally like them around 280. If I can grab them at 280, I'll like them if they're still moving in the same direction. SPX is coming up. It has that gap up is making it happen right now. I like them. Yeah, we have a move all the way up to 6653. I like these. Let's see what else. If there's something cheaper, they're more expensive than I'd like, but that's probably a good thing. The 6680s are 310. They're back to 310. We have the 6685s, the 240. If anybody likes those are not bad either. They're back down to 280. The 6680s are back down to 280. 295. I told you I like them at 280. The 294. Let's see. I'm looking at them now. 6680 is $3. The low of these contracts were 237. The high was 450. They're 320 right now. Oh man, 330. Damn it, I like them. 350. Fuck, I missed them at 280. I told you guys 280 was the entry for those. I told you 280 was the entry. Damn, we missed them. I missed them at 280. They're 340. They're gonna move up to like $4. If they come back down to 280, man, I'm in these. Just know if you want to grab them, they're gonna go to like 450 real quick. They're 350 right now. If they come down to 280, I'm in. Just letting you guys know. 340.
Ooh, let's go, boy.
360, that 360 again. Those contracts have legs on them, guys. Those contracts have legs.
I ain't even finished my coffee yet, bro.
Yo, 370. Those contracts look good. The 6680s look the best at 370. Who was that got in? What is your name, bro? Okay, all good. These are now 382 a contract. We got in at 275.
Chris was the one that got in, Bodie, but he already left because he's done for the day. He knows to shut it off. No, really, no.
Excellent.
We got him trained. Like literally, y'all don't understand. Like he hits a goal, he's done. He's out.
That's
whole
perfect.
day. Got the rest of the day to do whatever he wants.
They're $4. These are 410. Oh my goodness, the 6680s from 270 to 420. They're 420 right now. Oh man, 405. Those are the ones. Those are the ones. Those are the ones. Yep, that's them. 420. Yep, I got it right. From 270 to 410, 420. Anybody else get in anything? They're 420. I got the 6680s. That's the only thing. That's the only call out I made.
I got back in 6,700 at 90 cents, so they're at $1.40.
Good job. You see? Get a better entry than me. Excellent job. Those are going to do well too. Let me put the 6,700s in here for you to tell you where they can go. Excellent. I like that. I like that. They're $1.45 right now. Good job on that. You are up $50 a contract. What'd you get in actually? What was the price?
I got in at 90 cents when it came down.
You're up $50 a contract. They said that these can $150 a contract. Wow, guys, the 6,700 are still a good buy. They're $1.55. They can go to $8.86. Oh man, those are good. 480 for the 6680s are now 480. Oh, what a call out! Let's go, $5. I told you, what a play! 507, 520. Let's go! Yo, I'm sorry, Chris. I wish you were still. Which ones you got in and what price?
I got in 66.85, and I got in at $3.
Excellent. What are you at now?
390.
Let's go. Okay. These you're gonna have a little bit of a move right here. Wait, because we are now at the 50 EMA. The 50 could be a struggle if we get through this 50 EMA. If we get through this 50 EMA, you're going to stay and you're going to make more money than you've ever made on a contract if we get through this 50 EMA. They're $5.30 a contract, $5.40, $2 for you. Yo, let's go. There's went from 90 cents to $2. You 100% play. I got my 100% play on the day. There it goes. There it goes. Well, I didn't call him out at 90 cents, so I can't say that. But you made 100% on a play I called out. They're 205 right now. That was Sam, right? Sam?
No, that was me, Caesar.
Caesar, good job, Caesar. They're 210 right now. Excellent. They're $6. The 6680s are $6. Kiki, why'd you take? Bro, 610.
Bro.
620.
Yeah, I'm sitting there.
Oh my God, I'm the man. Yo, stay in. Guys, stay in right now. They are fucking running. 230, Caesar. Oh, boom. Yo, what a call out. Yo, I just got 100% play on the 6680s. They went to 620. I called them out at 280. They're 580 right now. Oh man, 100%. Yo, these are gonna run. I fucking knew it. Good job. All right.
Hey Chris, I got in the 6700s a little late, but I'm in and I'm
up 100.
No, I'm up 27%. But can you say where they was going to go to again? I'm sorry.
906.
Thanks.
Yeah, hold on. Wait, watch him because we just rejected the 50 EMA. So watch out right now. What is your entry, D?
I got in late 170.
Okay, you're at 205 right now. I'm watching out for you. We need to get over this 200 EMA that's at 66.50. If we close over 66.50, just hold it. We're at $2. You're $2 on these. We need to hold this 66 EMA. I mean 66 EMA. The 50 EMA.
SPY just rejected on pre-market high.
Yeah, it just rejected here, but hold it. It's not over yet.
That's it's bounced from 1206 to 1230.
Okay, we're not. It's not over yet. Hang on, just a bit. Hang on. I told you it was gonna get a fight right here. It's a fight right here at the 50 EMA. A fight is going on. We got to get over the 50, and if we have a clear skies at the 50. All right, hang on. 170 right now, D. We have how much longer on this candle? The 180. You got in at 190. The 177. If this rejection happens, it's happening. I hang on. It's really happening here. Hang on. Let's see this rejection of the 50 EMA. 172. I really think if it gets through this 50, it is gone. I don't want to tell you to get out, but if you go down $30, just get out and wait till it opens back up over them. They were really good. The 180 again. Here we go. We got a wick at the bottom. I like this wick. 190. Okay, D. 195. We got a nice wick. Oh, here we go. Back to $2. There we go. Back to $2 on these contracts. 205. Oh man. Oh, 210. Let's go. Yo, D, we're gonna get you another hundo. We got to get over. We need to get over this 50 EMA. This is a fight right here. We get over this 50. You guys are clear. Okay, we looking good. 205. 205 a contract. 210. It's a nice candle right here. A nice candle right here. 210 a contract. I like this candle. This candle is looking good. We might get over this. You got 212. Oh baby. Oh baby. 213. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. 207. We need to close over it though. We need to close over it. Let's see if my SPX is finally caught up. Yeah. They look good. Oh man, yeah. You can stay in for a bit. The 220 a contract. Good job, D. 215. These 6680s are 550. I called them at 280. They're 560. They got up to $6. 620 actually. 220 a contract, D, on yours. Yo, bro, Caesar.
I'm in 6700s as well with D.
And what 6700s? How much did you get in at?
180.
Excellent. So you're up $40 or you're up $30? Okay, we're up $30. Excellent. I need everybody to tell me what they're in so I can kind of watch it for you. It would be great if anybody's in something, just call it out. We're doing well. Say again.
I'm in 6,700 also. Stopped out with one. I have one left. Average is 118.
Woo! $100 a contract. Let's go. That's cool. All right. We got a win and play for the day. Starting off the week strong. Starting off the week really strong. We have 215. Oh, we're getting over this. Though the 50 EMA is about to be cracked. The 50 EMA is about to be cracked. We're at the 50 EMA right now. These contracts are 210 and the 6680s. Anybody take the 6680s because you are up 100% on a $280 contract. Nope. You guys don't like me. It's all good. These are 195.
Yeah, I got it late.
What'd you get in? What was the price? Kev? Watch it because hang on. How much time we got left on this contract? That's a 15-minute candle. I like it. I still like it though. I really do like it. I like it. I still like it. We're at $2. We're still at $2 on the 6700s. 195. The 6680s are $5. 490. We just need to clear this area right here. 510. 197, 515, 197, 511, $2. 195, 511, 470. That was a big rejection. 460, 180. Kiki, good job, Kiki. On your birthday, $600 on your 73% on your birthday, Kiki. MP, good job, MP. Great call out yesterday. Those minerals are doing their thing. Excellent. Next week contracts. I think you can stay in MP. Watch out, guys. This that rejection on the 50 EMA is still happening. It's happening. We're rejecting. Those contracts are down to 173. Let's see what the futures are saying so we can have an idea. Futures are going to stay in. The futures are going nuts. Stay in. The futures are going nuts. ES is going crazy. ES is up 94 points now. Oh man, stay in. Even though you're at break even, guys. 170. Somebody's at Alika's at break even. That's cool. D, you're down $20. We were just up 20. I stay in. I'm looking at the futures. If you look at my screen, the futures are doing what I needed to do, and that is going to drag everything up. So you're going to get a quick bounce. You're going to get a quick drive through this 50 EMA. It's going to do it. As long as the futures stay where they are, we'll be fine. 175 and 450. Kev, where'd you get in the 6680s?
370.
Excellent. You're up $100 a contract, $90 a contract. You literally got up to almost 100%. Wait, you did. It went to 620 at one point. It went to 620, but it's okay. I know you didn't get out yet. I'll tell you what's up. These contracts are getting rejected at I still say stay in. The only reason I'm saying that, guys, is because the futures are on a tear right now. Unless I'm getting bad information, which is very possible, but I'm looking. If you look at my screen, that's ES. That is ES. So so they're trying to scare you guys out. 180 again on these contracts. 175. 171. 460 for you, Kev. 450. 170. 436. Yeah, this candlestick needs to do some more. We'll get it. We'll get it. It's gonna go. We'll get it. I'm confident. I'm confident. We just got a long on MNQ. Oh, good open on ES. 420, 155. I know it's down. I know you guys are down a couple. You're down $20, $15 leak, and You're down $10 now. $15. I think you're still good. I do. Again, your risk tolerance is on you, but I definitely see. I'm looking at ES, and ES is running. Let me look at VIX. The VIX is still coming down. The VIX is just rejected the 50 EMA itself. You are back up to 170. You're back up to break even. Now you're down $5. I like it still. I really do like it. You're back to break even. Down $6. Yeah, things are sideways today, so it's like not a huge move, but I like the VIX. Look at VIX on my screen. The VIX looks like it wants to come down. 155. I don't know. This candle is weird because we're getting the VIX and SPY just kind of rejecting. But I really do see SPY coming up. It may take some time, but I think I see SPY coming up. I think it may take some time for this to happen. I don't see SPY losing it. 165 a contract. Don't let them scare you out. SPX. $160 again. Oh man. 160 again.
I got in super late, bro, and I'm up.
What are you in on
this play?
What are you on?
I got the 700s.
6700s. What was your entry on 6700s? It's all good. They are getting hit. They're 140 right now. 135. Damn, that rejection is happening. It's rejecting. SPY is rejecting this area, this daily zone. I don't think it's over, but I do think it's worth the risk to restart. If
I got one at 150.
150, you're down $20. Leak is down $35, and D is down $60.
I'm down 40 bucks. I got them at 170.
Okay, so 170, we're back. Excellent. Okay, so you're down $35. What's the highest entry on the 170?
There's always a chance for lower entry, guys. Always.
6700s, 128. Hang on, guys. Let me let my dogs out. I'll be right back.
I got you. Yeah, there's always a chance to get a lower entry than him. There's always a chance. To protect your money more. Like, I had just now gotten to the play like maybe 2 minutes ago.
I did 2 for 2, Breeze.
I'm very proud of you, Kiki. You're doing great.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
They got us at 135. I don't know. I still see some. If you're looking at my screen, this is SPY, right? We're above all EMAs that besides the 200. The 200 is above its head. That's the only thing that we're waiting to beat. And if that gets beat, then we actually have a golden cross opportunity. Somebody is wilding. 125, 130, 125. I don't know. Let's see. Let me see what is happening to the exposure. We still have 1.29 billion at 65.50, and it's growing. 6680s are now 2 billion. So, and we're currently at 6645s. All right. 121. I don't like it, guys. We just opened up really bad. I don't like it. Let me see. I don't like it. Where are the EMAs? Where are my EMAs at on this? Hang on. Why don't I have EMAs on? Oh, there they are. They're all down there. Got it. I see them. All right, here we go. Here we go. We got a nice little hold. We're back at 130, 127. I'm holding out. 130.
Y'all in the call right now?
135. Yep. If you like these, if you want to try the 6700s, they're $1.35 right now. You should get them. You should get one at $1.47. Get one. Get one. The 140, 150. You're moving slow. Get one. Tell me when you're in. They're 145. 150. The 6700 call for today. 140. Let me know when you're in. 145, 140.
I'm in at 140.
Good. All right, 140.
I'm back in at 140.
Excellent. 139. I like them. I do like them. 140. What's the highest entry on the 6700, guys? Who has the highest entry? 145 is where we are. 140.
155.
Okay, perfect. 155. That means you brought another one down. That's cool. All right, so we have 155 open interest. Okay, 135. We need to get above this 50 EMA. We have a knock boom happening at 130. 135. I like. Come on.
145.
120. All right, perfect. I'll let you guys know if the play is over, and if we again small losses are potential, but we won't take a big loss. At 130. 130. We won't take a big loss. We won't. We just keep it small. 135. Mitch, did you get in?
Yeah, I got in at 135.
Perfect. All right, 127. If this goes red, I will let you know, and I will just say get out with a small loss. 125. So the highest is a 155. We're at 120. Oh man. All right, 130. 123. I'm looking at it on my screen, and it just looks like we're good. It looks good. I would tell you guys if it didn't look good. 130.
SPY has a golden cross on the 5.
150. Good job. 148. Come on. You saw that little, it jumped up to 150 and then it went right back down to 130. Hello. $125. Come on. All right. All right. I'm not. This contract has to stay here unless I will tell you guys to cut. I don't care. I'll tell you to cut. But right now I'm seeing it just has to get through this 50 EMA. That's it. Just has to get through this 50. 50 is usually not that tough. I mean, it's tough, but not that tough. Oh, on SP. I'm sorry, SPY. SPY right here. Green candles, 40% buy. Let's look at the 30-minute. We have a silver cross. I like it on SPY. Looks good. Let's see what the VIX looks like. The VIX still looks like it's gonna come down. We just gotta hold out for a bit, guys. I know it's 115. Okay. There's nothing holding this. There's nothing like the VIX is nothing holding it up. Damn, 110. Son of a bitch. 115. They're saying these can get to $7.72. 770, 105. All right, guys. I don't know. 107. I don't want you taking too much of a loss. Like let's regroup. I guess 110 is. I'm still seeing bullish momentum, but it's like giving us 105. I don't want you go. The stop loss for me is $1. Like honestly, unless you want to, yeah, it's $1 now, guys. You lost 50% on this play. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Do not take a loss. It's over. It's over. It's over 50%. Let's regroup and get it back. Let's regroup. Let's get it back when we get over the 50 EMA. We'll just wait until we get back over the 50 EMA. And then we'll get back in, or we will transfer to puts. I do not like you drawing down too much. It is okay. Trust me. Mitch, you lost 30. Now it's $30, $35 when it's $1. These are $1 right now. $1.95. I'd rather us take puts and get that right than for us to force calls, and it's pushing it down. Wait. Let's see the one that night. Just get out of this play. Get out. I want you out. Everyone out. It's okay.
Cool. I jumped out.
Yes, cool. Good. Excellent. I want you out. This I'm looking at.
I got out in profit, Chris.
Good. Excellent. Good. I don't want you in this play too long. As you take a small loss, it's okay. I'm starting to see it turn around. You see, if you're looking at my screen, guys, it rejected. There's a daily line right here. It rejected the daily line, and it's now headed down too hard. Candlesticks are getting darker yellow. We can re-enter always if it gets back over here. If it doesn't, then this is a downward momentum, and puts pay more. So I want us to be able to take puts if they are what's coming out. It looks like, let's see what the puts are doing. So the 65.50 puts are $3.20. Let's see what other puts are going. All right, let's see what else we can get. So these are.
Oh boy, that drop on SPY is insane.
You see what I'm saying? You see that drop now? I'm glad you guys got out. Good. You see, that's easy. You do not force something. All right, that drop is going nuts. The 65.50s are 370 again. The 6500s are 7,014. The 65.50s look the best. The 65.50s, I don't know if anybody wants to try them. They're $3.20. They have the highest open interest. They're 320. I'll tell you when to get in. Don't get in yet, but they're currently at $3. Don't get in yet. Let's see, for someone with a lot less, we have, that's the best one. 60, that's the best one. Yeah, that's the best one. The 65.50s is the one that you want. 65.50s are 320, but wait, I don't even like them because the implied money is not down there. I think it's gonna pop back up because on the 65.50s, it says the theoretical price is actually $3, and we're at 280, so it's not saying that theoretically it can get up more. The 66.80 calls are still the ones. 66.80s are still the ones. Let's just wait. See, it's chopping sideways. What's happening with the VIX? Yeah, we gotta wait. Just gotta wait. We got a small loss. Some people gotta win. I know, like half of us gotta win on that play because they got in early, and then half of us, got in late, and the play already happened. So I will not call that a win because most of my people need to win for that to be the case. That is a loss. So look at what happened. That drop was just recovered. It bounced on the 9 EMA. If you guys are looking at my screen, you see what happened. It came down. It rejected my daily line, and then it came down, and it literally hit the 9 EMA. And now we just need to close over the daily. We need to close over 66. We need to close over 662 on SPY for it to go back the other way. Yeah, but the 65.50s are 290. Yeah, both calls and puts are actually getting demolished. Both sides. think the only thing I was doing well, like I said, is the minerals. CRML, MP. We got the same exact chart. Yeah, guys, this is not a day to mess around. We got some small wins and small losses, but that is what's risk management was in place. We didn't try to force a win. We didn't try to average down too much. We averaged down one time. I think Lika was the only one that averaged down and bought another one. Maybe D did as well. I'm not sure. But other than that, look, it's falling. CRML has the best. Look at MP and CRML are doing crazy. If you look at my screen, that's MP and CRML. These are doing amazing. These are the ones that I really wanted today, which was the minerals. The puts for SPX are now 340. The ones that I like are now 350, 340, 330. Okay, SPX. Yeah, I think puts are looking like it. Look at this. If you look at my screen, rejection of the daily, big candles, tweezer top. This could really fall hard. Yep, look at it. There it goes. There it goes. Those are now 350. Those contracts we still need a candle close for it to be something else. I don't see anything that's worth it besides the 6550s. Nothing less expensive. 6550s are now 390. Yeah, man, those are it. Look at that. They're turning red. Look at that fall. That drop was incredible. That was a rejection out of this world. We have another 2 minutes on this candle. Nope. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. Looks like puts. Let's see. Exposure. Yep. The 6650s is the one. 6500 is after that. The 6600s are actually probably the best. 6600 is, those are $10 a contract though. So let's see what these say. 6650s, the ask is $10. Copy. 6680s are 190. Those are the calls. I'm gonna get rid of those. Nobody's in those. Okay. The 6600 puts are 950 and they're saying they can get to $15. $890. Yeah, they're just chopping people out right now, guys. They're not being nice people. Yeah, they're chopping people out. Look at this. They didn't let it fall and they didn't know they climbed. Look where we opened. We opened right here and we're at open. So what we should do, this is what we do. Okay. When you have a day like this, I want you to watch what I'm doing right now. Look at my screen. What we do like this, we're going to go to Jarvis and you're going to just put on open and range breakout, the ORB. We're going to wait for the orb to break. I'm going to wait for the orb to break. And that's what we'll wait for. We'll wait for the orb to break, and then that's what you'll play. You're gonna orb break and retest, and I'll show you what that looks like once it comes up. Just wait for orb to break. So yeah, so you have orb 15 minutes, orb high for the 15 minutes right here. We're back inside orb. We want a candle close outside of orb. We're still in orb, so we're not, see this here, orb here, and orb here. If we get under this, if we get under 60, 659.80, that's probably the only move. And then you have a demand zone right there too. So it's kind of like, yeah, puts are playing out. Darker candles. We're approaching orb 30, orb 15. Look, it's coming down. Yeah, they're playing out. Those 60, 650s are now 360. The puts are playing out now. So we're at orb low. Yeah, they're playing, people. We can't do anything inside. This is a no trade zone inside here. So whenever you see your candlesticks are inside the orb, that is a no trade zone. Unless we have crazy momentum and like just closed inside orb, we can play from orb to orb. But right now it's like literally just chopping us out. So we're just gonna wait. Today is not the day. And I'll tell you what Derek said the other day. He mentioned that because money is not available today because the banks are closed, people have to wait. A lot of people can't even trade today because the money has not came back in their account. So unless you add new money, the money that you used on Friday is still in the market. It still can't be used. So
another thing to think about too, Chris, it is a holiday.
Yep.
So therefore trading volume, and if you look at the volume that's inside the market today, it's not really high. So
it's
like
definitely not.
Be made.
Definitely not. The average value, if you look at my screen, the average volume is 74 million. It's currently 24 million. So smart people are not trading right now. So that's why you're getting a lot of just institutions are probably not trading. So
yeah, we got retail trading going on. So we're getting a lot of chop action.
A lot of chop action. So sorry about that first loss, but at least I kept it smaller. We can get a win. We just got to get outside of orb. That's it. We just got to get outside of orb, and then we can get a win. Either way, we don't care calls or puts. But if I'm looking at the exposure, we have high exposure for the 6550s, and we have high exposure for the 6680s. Other than that, I mean, 6600 is not so bad. But the 6600s that I just told you guys about, they were just at $10. The 6600 puts were just at $10. They're now down to $780. This is like chop city, and you will just lose money. And by the time you decide like to get back in, it goes the other way, and then you get out, it goes back up. This is not market trading conditions that we can trade. We can't trade this. I'm just gonna be honest. We just got to take that loss. I'm glad some people got 100%. I know Caesar got in the 6700s at 90 cents or whatever, and they went up to like 220. And I know some people got in early and were able to make money, but everybody else is getting chopped out. This is just crazy. Look, we just got a crazy bounce on SPY out of nowhere. SPY just bounced. Look, it just bounced off this 50 EMA on the 15. Man, look at that. Crazy. That's nasty. Nasty. We just have to wait. We just have to wait. Look at it. Wow, crazy bounce on SPY. Wow. Now we're getting over orb high. We're getting over orb high on the 15-minute. But that's why I have orb 30, because on days like this, you might need to wait for orb 30 to happen. Because, yeah, this is just chop. Every candle we have is inside the orb 30. Look at my screen. You have every candle we have has closed inside this 30-minute orb. And we're an hour in. So it's just showing you those same 6700s that
we got in are now 90 cents, 85 cents. $0.90. I don't want anybody holding on to contracts, especially on a day like this. When we get the close over the 50 EMA, which happened on SPX, which happens to be 66.52.13, we can take that when we get a candle close over that. If we don't, then we wait. That's it. We just don't trade it. I don't mind just sitting here and relaxing.
Tesla running Tesla $13 today.
You see that? And I said Tesla earlier. Look at it. I said Tesla earlier. Watch Tesla. The only way I'll play it.
Golden Cross.
Yep, Golden Cross can come up. We have to cross over. Once we close over 428.50, you guys can take Tesla. We need to close over 428.50 on Tesla, and then you can get a move. It definitely has to happen. There's no way to do not front run it. Look at my screen. Tesla has to get past this trend line and then this 50 EMA. It could fall right back down. That actually is a good place for puts. No joke. For Tesla, look at this. When you have a 200 EMA, let me put my volume on to see what the volume looks like. Volume is actually increasing. Where's the money? The money is up here. Actually, Tesla, if it gets that close, that's a really good play. Yep, if Tesla gets that close, my bell is going to hit. I'll add a line. All right, close over 428.38 will be good. Those 65.50 puts are now back down to 175. That's absolutely insane.
I had Tesla from 424 to 427 for today. That's my entry play.
It's 427. Oh, yeah, it's 427 right now.
That's the play I had.
Excellent. So look, if you're looking at my screen, guys, a close over here would signify we're going to move up. If we get a close under here, we can get puts. It's a chop season. Chop season.
Pull port.
Right? Bro, it's chop. You don't full port shit. You do not. Yo, bro, look, we got over orb 30. We still need a candle close. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. We got blue candles. Here we go. Tesla. Watch it. Tesla. I love Tesla on Mondays, but these are expensive. Tesla over 428 with a close. Oh man, here we go. Let me see what Tesla candles look like. We can get up to 433. Okay.
On my page,
Tesla crossed it. There it is. We need a candle close though. It crossed my line. We just need a candle close over here for Tesla. Blue candles. Let's see what Tesla TSLA. Calls. Let's see, 440s, $5, 435s, 440s. The 440s are really good looking. The 430s are obviously the best, but the 440s are really good looking. 440s are $5.80 though. So be careful, but look, Tesla is about to close over there. Look at Tesla is perfect for if it closes here in 27 seconds, guys. Tesla is perfect. If anybody wants to take Tesla 440 calls, that's what I like. Let's give it 19 seconds and then take Tesla 440s. I'm calling it out in 10. Well, I'll tell you, countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Good close. All right, you got it. You can take Tesla calls at $5.90 a piece. Wait, they are. If you like Tesla, look what's happening right here. Look what's happening. We have a buy signal. We have 93% strong buy. Blue candles. I like Tesla calls. There we go. They are the 440s are 570. Did anybody get in Tesla? Just so I don't call it out if it didn't.
I got in again.
Okay, Tesla 440. All right, Tesla, good. All right, good job. I like these a lot. They are 575. The 570 screenshot this, so I remember 580. So you guys got in around 580. Like I'll just say 580. These need to push. Look at SPY's bounce was absolutely incredible. SPY bounced that whole candle back. Tesla 440s are 575. You should be fine. You should be fine on Tesla. They are coming. They are far. You should still be fine. Honestly, damn, they are really giving me a hard time this morning. Come on, Tesla. Stop being a douche, bro. Tesla is coming down to the 440, 540. Come on, Tesla. Stop doing that. Right at this level with a buy signal and blue candles. What the bro? It closed over it and everything. Look at this. Oh man. What? It retraced that entire candle. Bro, did you just see that?
I did.
Bro, what?
I see what I have marked again.
Bro, it just retraced that entire candle on one candle. All right, it's over. Get out. That's it. Until it gets back over, it's over. It's $1. You lost it down from 580 to 480 that quick. Bro, that Tesla was $100 or $100 loss right there. Do not stay in. I don't care.
Don't stay in. Don't stay in this place.
Don't stay in. I don't care. It's a small loss. That's what you call it. Do not stay in. I don't care. I know it's $100, but $100 is a small drop in the bucket. 100%. Do not stay in that play. That's a small drop in the bucket of what it could be. It could be bad. It could be bad. They're trying to chop. Look, they're really chopping people out. We had a good candle close with blue candles. It closed over my level, over orb high. It did everything. Literally, orb 30 was everything. All right. Today is both calls and puts are getting clapped. Both on SPX. You have the 6550s are now $1.92, and the 6600s are now $5.80. And the 6700s are 67 cents. It's just absolutely bananas. Get out of that play. It went down to $5. You lost $80. If you got out at 480, that's $100. But I'd rather you take that $100 loss than a $500 loss. That is not how you play. You lost maybe 20%, which is okay. Yes, they are coming back up, but I don't care. Like, I'd rather be safe than sorry. $500 can't be sustained. Like, you losing that every day, not good. Fuck, man. So that's an L for sure. But if you're looking at my screen, guys, look, I waited for it to close over my level. Look, it closed over my level, opened up at my level, over my level, and had all of this was 93% buys. They were blue candles, buy signal, everything that I could ask for. You had a golden cross is a pairing. Watch Tesla do some stupid shit and go all the way back up. I'm fucking be tight, man. Nothing's moving, guys. It's 11 o'clock. We gotta shut it down until after lunch. Like, it's nothing. We're not gonna just trade just to trade. That's if Mondays have to be won. You gotta win Monday. Look at Tesla. Fuck, bro. Are you watching this shit, bro? Look at Tesla now. Bro, look at Tesla now. Man. I don't know what Elon's doing over there, bro, but he's pissing me the F off, bro. They're 440 right
I'll
now.
talk to him.
You gotta text that name, bro. Tell him what's good, bro. Like, this is not okay, son.
It's not.
Yo, we just had a nice breakout of orb. We closed outside of orb. Buy signal. I waited for everything that I could possibly wait for. I waited for everything. Exposure is, it still says the 6680 calls are the highest. 6680 calls still the highest. 6680s, I don't have them up here at all. Let's see what they say. 6680 calls. They're the highest. Those are $1.85. Ask. Copy. Then $1.60, 6680 calls. They're saying they can get to $10. They're $1.70. Then you have the puts that are showing up. The puts are showing up more. The puts are now at 1.6 billion and calls at 1.5 billion. Let's see. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's tweets are top. Tesla's about to fall. Look at this. This is what a tweets are top looks like, guys. Tweets are top at a line or like at a key level. If it doesn't hold this and it comes under here, you're gonna get a pretty big fall. That was a big enough fall right there. Not gonna lose her too much money. Not on her birthday for sure. I'm gonna get that right back. We're gonna find out what the hell. SPX is just in a range. Tesla is down to $5, $4.95. Look at this range. Go ahead.
SPY hit my support at 660.85 and bounced back up. So yeah.
It looks so it's just, but it's still in this range. Look how tight this range is, bro. I wouldn't trade this. Look at this whole range right here.
Yeah, you're right.
I would not trade that. That's just you can, but it's kind of, look at it. You got red candles. It's probably gonna fall. It's probably gonna fall. If it gets through that 200, it's night. Look, you got red candles coming down. Puts are starting to pay out. So the 65.50 puts are $2.15. 207. If it gets under the 200 EMA with the close, it's puts. No, it's not, because you still have the orb. I still would not trade inside this level. I still wouldn't. I don't care how red these candles get. Wait till the orb plays out. That's just an OG move. That's safe. On the day that you're getting choppy price action, just wait for orb. And even an orb retest. Like you wait till it breaks out, retest, and then you take orb if you want to be even more safe. Could you miss the move? Yeah, but with this, look at this. And SPX is even worse. This is SPX. Look. But this is starting to show me puts. I had a rejection of this trend line. Orange candles. If we can get under 66.24. So 66.50 is about to get paid. 66.50 is about to get paid. No, sorry, 65.50s. My apologies. 65.50s up. Yep, look at it. Under VWAP. Puts about
there we go.
Puts about to pay. Puts about to pay out. Puts are about to pay out. 65.50s are now $2.30. 245.
Yep, it's gonna start bleeding now.
It's gonna bleed. 65.50 is now 245. We're about to get some. We got to get through this. Oh, it's gonna go crazy if we hit here. Where's the 200 EMA? Where the hell is the 200? Oh, the 200 is all the way up there. Oh man, yeah, these are about to pay out, guys. These are about to pay. Oh, we got to get through this first. Okay. 65.50s are 225. You can't play this. You cannot. You can't play this. There's nothing you can do. I can't. There's nothing you can do about this. Yeah. Yeah, guys, there's nothing you can do. All these contracts are sideways. Everyone. Tesla, what happened? Back down to 423. What a freaking douche, bro. Abgo. Bro, Abgo was the one. Abgo was the one. Nope, it wasn't because it only happened in pre-market. Abgo only happened in pre-market. During when it opened up, Abgo opened up here, fell down, and it's up on the day, but Abgo is.
Yeah, you had in it.
So you got what?
You had to have already been in it in order to
Yeah,
be
you
up.
had that swing that. Yeah, you see this? Is Abgo, everything is sideways. There's nothing, it's nothing to trade, guys. This is not a day to trade. On even if we have what's this PLTR? Look at PLTR is falling out of the sky. Maybe that's starting to lead the pack.
So you got a lot of profit taken from people swung it over the weekend.
Yeah. Ooh, there's Nvidia's 186. Something's happening. Nvidia's getting clapped. Everything's coming down, guys. There it goes. There it goes. Everything's coming down. Look, Nvidia, even Nvidia is getting clapped. Nvidia is going to fill this gap right here. Nvidia is going to come down to 184. Nvidia puts down to 184. It's going to come down hard. Look at this. Oh man. Yep. Sell signal. Nvidia is under orb low. Oh man. Profit takers. Oh, it's about to happen. Darker candles. Oh, it's happening. Oh baby.
Wasn't trying to do a video puts or just chill out.
Yeah, I mean, wait, hang on a second. Let me see if I get a candle close. I like it. If it closes under the pre-market low, it's right now at pre-market low. See where we are? Get a candle close under pre-market low, and then we can talk about puts. But until then, nothing, because we're in a demand zone. So wait till we get under. If you're looking at my screen, you see it bounce up pre-market low. It needs to get a candle close under here. And then you can go for puts, but right now, bro, it's nothing. Everything is everybody's getting chopped out, bro. We did get a candle. We did get a orb 30 close. It closed under the orb, but we remember I was mentioning we just had a demand zone right here. This demand zone is a day old. It's about to push down though. If it pushes down, you got to get a candle close under. I'll put a bell, 186.74. Yeah. Nothing to play. Nothing. It doesn't matter what you were in. You got clapped. Nothing. Tesla got clapped. Look at Tesla's. I told you. What I told you about Tesla. Look, that tweezer top. Look at that. Didn't I tell you Tesla tweezer top? That was it. You can take Tesla puts under if it gets oh, there it goes. Tesla puts are just playing out. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Tesla puts. Man. But I want to see what the orb is. Or nope, you can't take it yet. You can't take them yet. You can't take everything's getting chopped out because look at this orb. This is still not broken. You would have to take the puts right at the top where I was saying. You had to take the you had to take the puts up there, and then you could have caught it. But right now, there's nothing to play, bro. SPX and SPY starting to come down. There we go. They're starting to come down. They're bleeding. Oh, there you go. We still didn't get the orb low yet. Still choppy.
What's futures say on ES?
Good question. Sideways. Look at this shit, bro. Sideways. People are about to lose a lot of money both ways. The only thing that's moving is MP. Look at MP straight up. Nvidia's about Nvidia did it, guys. Nvidia did that. What I asked it to do. Nvidia lost it. Look at it. Nvidia is outside of or it broke it. Nvidia let this candle close though. Let this candle close. You got a sell signal on Nvidia now below pre-market low. It removed the demand zone. And let it play out. Let it play out. But it is 11 o'clock, so the volume is going to be low. But look, sell signal didn't hit take profit 1 yet. Demand zone gone. Look, oh, it's going to hit. Man, yeah, Nvidia puts is probably going to be it, guys. Look, you have a gap all the way down to here. The gap is all the way down to 183. Man, it's happening. You got 2 minutes and 55 seconds before this candle closes. But it already hit take profit 1 on this candle. Damn, that was the candle to be in. That chirp that happened, that was it. Shit. That is crazy. It closed outside of orb. The demand zone was broken. Sell signal, 93% strong. Bro, take profit 2 is going to be taken now. Let's see what the Nvidia puts look like. Nvidia. $184. Yeah, you would have to take the at the money puts to get paid on Nvidia. You would have to take those contracts are $3.28. You see, you'd have took puts without the candle closing. But I still like it because we are under orb, we're under the demand zone. We have a sell signal. We hit take profit 1. I'm gonna put these to my watch list in a second. Wait till I'm not gonna take them, but I would definitely think that these are good. Look at them. The take profit 2 is about to be hit. Nvidia puts.
Trump is speaking right now.
That's what is going on, bro. Let me see YouTube. That's what I knew something was happening, bro.
What?
Yeah, bro. That's what.
Bro, he can go away, bro.
Bro, yeah, he has to chill.
Country,
bro has to chill. Trump is speaking right now. Candle close on Nvidia. take profit too was any reports are playing out. Yo, what? Yo, look at Spy. There it goes. There it goes. I don't want to hear this anymore, but I have no choice. There it is. This spy died. Oh man. Oh man. Here you go. Orb low. We need a close on the orb low. Let's see. Wow. There it goes. All right, let's watch it. So, points. I'm gonna make a mark for points. The 6550 puts or 270. Anybody copy those? 6550 puts or 280. You see that bounce? Damn it. Yo, they're trying to kill people.
Yeah, came back to orb low,
You
right?
see it? You saw that bounce on orb below. They're trying to kill people. They're really trying to kill people. Yo, look at that. Yo, guys, look what just happened. So you look at my so this is crazy. Look, it came down to orb low, was about to hit it, and it bounced right off of orb low. This is the most chop I've seen in orb high to orb low. Just chop. This is not anything you can put. Oh, you just got a sell signal just came out, but look where we are. Yeah, I don't know.
I saw a 30% change in calls when I was at the bottom.
See, it is not until we got a sell signal. So let's see if Jarvis is right. If we get under, we have to get under 659. We got to get under 659. Nope. This is all chop. You can't play anything outside of orb. I'm glad you guys got a quick lesson on orb. Like this is ORB and everybody got killed. Unless you took calls at the bottom of orb to the almost to the top, or you took puts at the top of orb all the way to the bottom. I think puts at the top of orb was probably the best. But look, even the sell signal, we had a sell signal is about to hit stop loss. We have a sell signal right here, and it's going the other way. So it's nothing. I can't do anything about that. Yeah, this is nothing you trade. We have to come back at 12:20, guys. There's nothing we can do. You can't take calls. Can't take any plays at 11.
Let's bounce, bro.
Yeah, I'm a bounce until 12:20. We can't do anything. I tried it. I tried everything. I got 2 losses, 1 half win because some people made good on the.
You helped me call out AMD, so that went just fine.
AMD went fine, but I'm not even tripping because I know we're gonna get a big win. But we got SPX calls went okay. Some people did 100%, some people did 80%, some people did 30%. But then the most people got in late and they probably lost 30% to 50% because I know Alika got in at 170 and then they got out at $1. So that's like about 40% there. And same thing with D. So hopefully they had just maybe 2 contracts. If they had 2 contracts, that's like $140. That's okay. That's easily we can easily make those back. Everybody else, I know Mitch got in at 135 and got out at about $1, maybe $1.10. So he lost about $35. It's okay. We still got room to play, but we're not gonna play around and force anything. So guys, 12:20, set your alarms. I will be back and we'll see if there's anything to play. If there's nothing to play on the day, then we don't play anything. But as you can see, every time Trump speaks while we're trading, it is chop until he's done or said something that is outlandish. So I'll be back. I'm just gonna take
What time you coming back, Chris?
I'll be back at 12:20 on the dot. So just set your times.
Okay.
I'll be back at 12:20. We're gonna get something if
I
there's
might
something.
still be on here just in case.
All right, thanks, Breeze. I'll be back. I'm just gonna get off so I don't keep just talking for no reason because
it's
nothing to do. I'll be back, guys.
All right.